The very weekend we are watching one of the most original stories ever written in the history of humanity, The Way of Water. We're also served the most mumbled mishmash of every Hindi movie ever. This might be Vicky Kaushal's first out-and-out comedy film, but you and I, we've seen this before. We've seen this movie before. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you यहाँ तक आने के लिए मेरे साथ. If you would like to support my work further, please click that subscribe button. Show some love. आज बात कर रहे हैं शशांक खैतान की मूवी गोविंदा नाम मेरा के बारे में, now streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. Vicky Kaushal as Govinda is giving 2015 Varun Dhawan, a man caught between a rock and a hard place and two beautiful women simultaneously. एक wife है Gauri played by Bhumi Pednekar and the other is the girlfriend Sukku, which of course is played by Kiara Advani. Extramarital affairs से murder तक by way of property disputes, the film must have been some kind of amusing or interesting, maybe perhaps on paper, because in its execution it's about as sophisticated as a 2-year-old eating a very syrupy gooey breakfast. Most of it ends up on the child's face, everything is messy and sticky, and it's cute for about 5 minutes. Shashank Khaitan is responsible for this movie's writing, both dialogue and screenplay, the credits tell us. Both of these things are clearly displaying the filmmaker's imagination or lack thereof. A heroine's first shot is a slow-motion, seductive, hyper-sexualized dance to an uninspired medley of songs from the 90s. She's wearing a Raveena Tandon tip-tip yellow sari. It's a sequence that should have stayed and died in that era. Also, it's a dream sequence. Paying homage to mainstream cheesy Hindi cinema is tricky business, one that needs a skilled hand and genuine academic knowledge of the medium. Visuals from an era gone by can be recreated if you're willing to adapt them to today's landscape while layering in insightful commentary stemming from your opinion of which parts you choose to celebrate and which portions are condemnable. In a world of older millennials looking a little too fondly back at their journeys and what has shaped them into the filmmakers and storytellers they are today, you can either choose to be a Vasan Bala or a Gurmeet Singh. What you get here is David Dhawan in a Rohit Shetty palette with Rishikesh Mukherjee aspirations.
छोड़ दो, पिघल जाएगा.
गोटिया तेरा पिघलता है?
बर्फ थैली में जावेद भाई.
Obviously, nobody's attempting any groundbreaking cinematic storytelling here. But reducing a performer like Vicky Kaushal to saying, I need dialogue like, Sir, पिघल जाएगा, थैले में बर्फ है, पिघल जाएगा, should be some sort of finable offense. Despite a meta background storyline of a Bollywood backup dancer whose father is a stunt choreographer like Sham Kaushal IRL, the titular Govinda is never permitted to be a whole entire human person with a lived human life. We are told his wife's father paid 2 crore as dowry, but why he now can't pay off a 1.8 lakhs ka loan remains an unsolved mystery. A desperate to be rich and famous Bollywood performer female stereotype, a voluptuous bored housewife in satin 90s cliche, a standard mail order kaam wali didi, Dayanand Shetty as an inspector referencing CID, many interchangeable song and dance sequences. It's actually quite incredible how not one note of this film feels sincere or heartfelt in the slightest. Add to that a whodunit plot so pointlessly convoluted, the expectation of Govinda Naam Mera from its audience is borderline entitled. You choose if you'd like to entertain this demand. The movie is streaming now on Disney Plus Hotstar.
आते हुए इसके लिए बर्फ लेकर आना.
ए तू फ्रिज में क्यों नहीं जमाती बर्फ?
तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड के आगे ना तेरी इज्जत जमा दूंगी मैं.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Govinda Naam Mera is one whole song I genuinely thought was in Ranveer Singh's circus. Do you really expect me to know the difference between Hai Re Giri Bijli Bijli and Mujhko Current Laga Re? Like, it's the same. That's all, dosto. Please show your support by subscribing to my channel and following me on Instagram @Soforita. Search करो, उछल के मैं ऐसे सामने आ जाऊंगी. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by. छोटा रिव्यू है ना, कुछ है ही नहीं ज्यादा बोलने के लिए.